someone that can help me?
You called for help? Quality Plumbing Services is here.
At Quality Plumbing Services, we take the stress out of your plumbing repairs. 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. When you need us, we will be there. Our highly trained, neat and clean plumbing technician will provide upfront pricing to fit your budget with extensive in-home warranties. At Quality Plumbing Services, we pride ourselves on customer satisfaction.
Hi everyone, how was your day?
Thanks to Quality Plumbing Services, my day was great.
At Quality Plumbing Services, we take our motto to heart. Quality people, quality products, quality service. That's Quality Plumbing Services.